Topic: Population Studies. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to define the following terms: population, dominance, and community. List and explain 4 examples of population characteristics. Outline factors that affect the population of organisms in a particular habitat. Population is a group of organisms of the same species living together in a given area at a particular time. If you can recall, an ecosystem is a self-sustaining unit made up of living and non-living things interacting and affecting one another. In an ecosystem, the community is made up of many populations of different species. Population studies of a habitat. To achieve the process of studying the population of a particular organism or organisms in a particular habitat, 2 things must be taken into consideration: types of organisms and their dominance. Types of organisms involve the listing of the various types of population that are found in the particular habitat. Listing of this organism helps to determine the relationship that exists between the various organisms in a particular habitat. Dominance. Dominance refers to those species that exert a greater influence on the other members of the community. The relative importance of a species in a community is expressed by dominance. And dominance could be expressed in the terms of their number, occupation of largest portion of space, possession of the highest biomass, that is, those organisms that make up the largest mass of organic compound within that particular habitat, the largest contribution to energy flow in a habitat, and that will be predominantly made up of producers, green plants that can photosynthesize. They are always more in a particular habitat. Population characteristics. Population characteristics simply refer to as those factors that tends to build up or responsible for everything that goes on in the population of a particular species. It has to do with, the first one has to do with what? The population size. And population size refers to the total number of the species of the same kind in a given area or habitat. While population frequency refers to the number of times an organism occurs within a given area in a particular habitat. And percentage cover refers to the area occupied by a given species in its habitat, and it is expressed in percentage. Population growth. Population growth refers to the net results of the influence of the birth rates and death rates of organisms in a given habitat.